today it is Thursday here. So Rai, she has had 2 hour delay and she will be now it is exactly 9:30. So she will be going at 10 and after that I have to go and get some veggies, and in today's video mostly I will focus on that how I store my veggies in fridge, how I store my veggies so that the veggies can stay for a long time, and I have some interesting things which help me to store veggies for a long time, and definitely I wanted to share with all of you. So right now my hubby also, he went little bit late, like he just went half an hour before, and our breakfast is done now. That's what I am waiting, that Rai will go and after that I will go to gym. My hubby, जब भी ऐसा snow होता है, always he'll say no don't go out today, don't go out. But I said, see, we need food to eat. Nobody comes and give food in my home. We have to go and get food, and and I thought today it's good, like ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. The roads are perfectly and well, and now it is sunny, so I'm sure it will melt off all the ice and all.
Lights out, hearts beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost.
Rai is gone and now I am going to gym, and the bad news is like next week they have their spring break. First it was like one day they will take, then they told 2 days, and now we are hearing that only they have 1 day of spring break, like only Monday they have, उसके बाद like daily they have school. And now luckily हम लोग का vacation हो गया, but many people are going for vacation and like people book their ticket बहुत जल्दी, सब लोग ticket book कर लेते हैं, and now like everyone is so much worried and they can't cancel, and here the teachers are like no you can't go, we have to finish the course. So that's a very bad thing which happened. And yesterday and everyone is so angry कि yesterday why the school was closed. It seems as कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, it was useless to keep the school closed. So वही अभी क्या करेंगे, और luckily we were in the luckier side that already our vacation was over. But then also it's bad for kids, as after that they have like this is the vacation, and after that वो लोग का vacation होता है when the summer vacation starts, that is from like July first week, like from the last week of June. But before that everyone looks upon this vacation कि कहीं पे घूमने जाए, especially as the weather is good, it's not that much hot. But now what to do? So after gym I'll go and get all my veggies and all the other things. So I thought first I will do my grocery shopping and then I'll go to the gym, and I had some coupons, so I came to the shop where I generally come, but it's very windy today, so I'm going to my gym, as I thought that like instead of going home, let's come here. So I am back, and first thing I want to make some smoothie. So let's make some smoothie, and many of you were just writing me comments that seeing me making smoothie you all also are having. That's very good. Like एक बार आदत हो जाए, then you will see daily you will feel like having smoothie or anything healthy. So let's make smoothie, and after that I will start doing one of the most boring works, that keeping all the things in my fridge and taking out the things which are left and see what we can do with it. But first let's make smoothie. So today I am making smoothie out of banana. I got some banana, and then yeah, many of you were saying me that to have almond milk it's good, so I got that also. So I'll add some banana, then I'll add some dates, not much, maybe 2. Dates are really good. We should have dates, especially for ladies. I've just added 2 dates, and I'm adding spinach, and these spinach are baby spinach, so they are perfect for salad. Spinach, not much. And I'm feeling a little bit hungry also. I did shopping, then I went to the gym, so this will be good. And yeah, so today's smoothie is little bit different. And the smoothie आज का it's really tasty. So now let me have, and then let me start my day. And yeah, and many of you always ask me that I don't sleep after having lunch, or so like पता नहीं, I never sleep क्योंकि यहाँ पे we don't have that habit only कि lunch खा के we will go for sleep. So, and once if you if you leave that habit, you know, then यहाँ पे नहीं आते. But now also when I go to India, after having lunch, always my mom and dad will say, go and sleep. And whenever we go for vacation in India, after having lunch, always we go and take a nap. Maybe because we have nice food and lot of food, but yeah, so lunch I like, though we don't eat only anything. And how to sleep after that, Rai has her activity, so again I have to run with her. So I have washed all my veggies, and now once it will dry, or maybe I'll dry them with towel, then some of the veggies I will keep in this fridge bag. This is from the company called Earth Wish, yeah, and these are really good. And but some of the veggies I will cut them, and it's like a meal planning, you know, तो थोड़ा easy हो जाता है, as now my Saturday Sundays are a little bit busy. And I will vacuum seal them, and I'll show that how I do that. But first I'll do is with this coriander. So what I do to keep my cilantro fresh is take any cup or any glass. So I always use this one because I can use it. थोड़ा टूट गया है. Then I will add little bit water. Just not much, see, little bit water. So I'll keep the cilantro, and then I will cover it with this Ziploc bag. And in this way your cilantro will stay fresh for a long time. My mom used to do this, but she used to do it in a plastic bag only, like down she used to keep little bit of water. And yeah, after some time you have to check, maybe after 2-3 days you have to check the water, because once if the water is over it will become bad. But this is a nice way in which you can store your cilantro and it stays fresh for a long amount of time. So for my whole veggies, I generally wash all my veggies, and then if you have time you can dry them, but I dry everything in my towel. It's a easy way to dry your veggies. And then I will keep my veggies in this reusable bag. These bags are really good as they are designed to keep veggies and it stays fresh. And now I am chopping some of the veggies which I will be using later in the week, and I will show you all that how I stored them in my fridge. Now I have some of chopped veggies and in fridge also I had some bell pepper. वो हम सबके पास ही रहता है. After you chop like तो क्या करें, we just keep it in fridge. But instead of keeping it like this or wrapping something, if we vacuum seal it, it will increase the shelf life and you will see that after 2 weeks also the veggies are perfect. So today I am going to vacuum seal. These are veggies which I can use like for making fried rice. I have chopped some beans and carrots and some cauliflower. I will vacuum seal it in a different way. And I have purchased some butternut squash और थोड़ा खाने के बाद से now it has turned like the water जो हो जाता है right inside. So this also if we vacuum seal it, nothing happens. And Kasori, they gave me one vacuum sealer and now everybody will say कि पायल तुम promotion कर रही हो. It's nothing about promotion. Most of you know that I never do any promotion. So many things like I get mail, so many clothes, so many things I don't want to say also, but I have never done any promotion. Yeah, but Kasori, I love this brand. Anyhow, if you can go and check in Amazon, they are #1 seller. Like I have their smoothie, it is amazing. I have their pressure cooker and I am using all this on a daily basis. So definitely when they told that do I want to show my subscriber this vacuum sealer, I was very interested क्योंकि ये बहुत ही काम का चीज है. Show you, and I have used it twice before showing to all of you because मुझे खुद पहले चेक करना था. So now let's vacuum seal it and I'll just show you. I'll just get the camera in front and I'll just show you. And yeah, for all of my subscribers, I think so whatever the price is, out of that they are giving more 15% discount. So definitely I will link it down in my description box. You can go and just have a look on it. And please don't get offended. Many people get offended कि what product promotion कर रही हूँ, but it's not bad. Showing something good is good. From me you all also can get some knowledge. And खराब क्या है, at least I'm not promoting any bad product or anything. Like I never do only any product promotion as I am very scared the things I don't use, I don't want to promote all that. So let me show you all that. So this is how my vacuum sealer looks like. It's really small and it is sleek. This is the best thing about it, that you can store it in any place. It don't take a big space and whenever you need it you can use them. So it has couple of functions. You can vacuum seal food, then you can do canister and you can marinate. And if you have some nuts also, you can vacuum seal them. So this is the cauliflower and I'll just show you all that how I vacuum seal it. And this plastic comes along with this vacuum sealer, and if the plastic gets over then you can buy it again. And see, my cauliflower is completely vacuum sealed and it took just I think so 10 seconds. So you all have seen how easily I have vacuum sealed everything. Just see And you know, the time you use, you can just cut, and then how much you want you can take it, and then again you can vacuum seal it. And इससे veggies बहुत दिन तक fresh रहता है. I have used it couple of times. Now I don't have time. I go and take a shower. Rai is back from school and she is playing outside. Kids love playing in snow. And for our lunch today, we are having egg salad. Here I have added some avocado, then there are green leaves and egg white, and little bit of ranch. And here I am adding some more things, some crispy onions. And Rai really enjoys having salad. And so I have vacuum sealed most of my veggies, or देखिए like it and Rai laughing from back. So this all like it takes so less space in fridge, and I have done almost everything. I have done the small bell pepper also and the avocado also. So now I have some spinach, and this box is so big and now that much spinach are not left. So I'll vacuum seal the spinach, and this roll comes with this only, and here is a cutter in which you can adjust like how much big or small size you want.
Whoa.
See?
Smushy.
Yeah, the spinach, it's
Good.
so many veggies came in this small thing, and definitely it helps lot in organizing your fridge. So this is a good thing. Don't feel like this कि पायल तो सिर्फ आज promotion ही कर रही है. It's not about promotion. It's really a good thing, and it is very useful. As you will see that this all veggies, like especially the spinach, just see it was in this big box and now it is here. So see the difference of the size also. So anyhow, I am fully satisfied with it, and I was planning to marinate it. You can marinate meat, chicken or any veggies also with this. इससे marinate बहुत ही जल्दी हो जाता है, but I don't think so. I have time today as Rai has to go, and I made chicken curry yesterday. So I will be just making one zucchini sabzi, and बहुत आप लोग बहुत जन बोल रहे थे कि zucchini पायल show us, so I'll make one zucchini sabzi. So definitely I will write down the product in the description box. If you want to see, go and have a look on it. So to make the zucchini sabzi, it is like a zucchini masala, एक dry sabzi होगा, but it goes really nicely. Like I can have it as a salad, or if you want you can have it with rice and then with roti also. And so let's start making the sabzi, because after that I have to go. So let's begin. And I'll be using very less oil, as now I have become very healthy. So when the oil was hot, I have added around 1 teaspoon of pachfuran, and then I will be adding around 3 dry red chili. And this recipe don't have any garlic or any onions, and then little bit of hing. So now I am adding the chopped zucchini, and I have chopped some tomatoes also, and I'll mix it nicely. I'll add little bit of salt and cover it with a lid for around 5 minutes, and I'm cooking this in medium flame. So after 5 minutes I'm adding some turmeric powder, some red chili powder, then I'm adding some cumin powder, that is jeera powder, and then to add little bit of twist I have some groundnut powder, like this is a groundnut chutney, it's like a powder, so I'm adding that. If you don't have this, you can just leave this part, no need to add it, but this brings a nice taste to it. And then I will mix it nicely and cover it with a lid. And here Rai is doing her homework, and today like I didn't clean much of my room, as like veggie shopping and then arranging everything really takes so much of our time. And now let's go and see. I think so my zucchini sabzi is ready, and yeah, it is perfect. Zucchini, it's a very easy thing to make as it gets cooked in no time. And I'm adding a little bit of sugar to it. Again, if you don't want, no need to add sugar, but always I like adding little bit of sugar, and at the end I'm adding little bit of cilantro. So my masala zucchini is ready, and try this way, बहुत ही ज़्यादा tasty लगता है. Now we are going for Rai's activity. And what happened, Mama? You want to play with this? Don't play, come on, let's go. And she's playing with the snow. Don't play, come, let's go. So that's it for today, everyone. Please do hit that like button. Please comment down below. And those of you who are watching me for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Bye, everyone.
Lightning strikes by my window.